Now let's look at this question number 14 for WAEC Chemistry JAMB Past Question 2018. The number of electrons in the valence shell of an element of atomic number 14 is A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Now you have to know how to draw the electron shells for the electronic configurations of elements given their atomic number. So now you're given the atomic number of 14 and you're told to draw in order for you to find the number of valence shell electrons. So you have to have the first electron shell, which normally has just 2 electrons. Then subsequent electron shells have, or subsequent shells have 8. So you now have to count out the number of atomic numbers in the atomic number. So you have 14. So you have 1, 2. This one should have 8. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 has completed it. But is it up to the number of atomic number here? Here is 14. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's still 10, remaining like 4. So we have to have another electron shell, but this time around it will not be up to 8 because what is remaining is just 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you count the total number of electrons, it should be equal to the atomic number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 of it. So it's now equal to this. But note that the inner shell must have only 2. Other electron shell will have 8, 8. So the valence shell is the last shell. So this is the last shell. So, and this has completed the normal atomic number, which is 14. So how many electrons are on this valence shell? We have only 1, 2, 3, 4. So that makes D 4 the answer. So let's say this has an atomic number of 13. You know what would have been here would have been 3. If it had 12, what would have been here would have been 2. If it had 11, it would have been 1. If it had 10, it would have been 8, because of this valence electron would have been gone. It will be remaining this to give 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the valence electron would have been 8. So but for 14 it is 4. Had it been is 15, we would have added extra 1 here, making it 5. If it is 16, it would have been 6. If it is 17, it would have been 7. If it is 18, it would have been 8. But if it is 19, you would have now added another shell and count that 19, 1. So the valency would have been just 1. So take note of this. So the right answer is 4, 14. Thank you.